you might as well get it, Harry.
Not to come, sir. Boy, your time is up. I think there's room for at least one good meal in there to help see you through that hard journey. Do my ears deceive you, or did I hear you mention food? Gentlemen, when to eat. You too, Dorothy. Dorothy, come.
The first family of the frontier. Me and my family. With the first
Charlie.
of the frontier.
I'm Victoria Barkley.
Today at 3, 2 Central on MeTV.
Are you getting the auto insurance savings you deserve? If you're 50 or over, it's time to look at auto insurance designed specifically for drivers like you. Presenting the AARP Auto Insurance Program. Come the Hartford.
I'm a good driver. Have been for years. It just makes sense that better, more experienced drivers should
Happy
get
birthday.
Check.
Happy birthday.
Call the number on your screen today, and you can join the thousands of people who have switched and saved $350. Plus, you can enjoy benefits like disappearing